Good morning, student. This is lecture number 27, chapter 3, admission of a partner. I am teaching about practical problem based on revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. This is very long question, but I will try to grasp you. So first see the question, what is question, and then I will prepare answer of this question. Question says A and B were carrying on business in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. On 31st March 2019, their balance sheet stood as follows. In liability side, age capital, B capital, general reserve, bank loan, sundry creditor and bill payable is given. Amount is also given. In asset side, land and building, furniture, stock, sundry debtor, less provision and cash is given. Now question says C was admitted as partner on the following terms. C would be entitled to 1/3 share in profits. C would bring 25,000 as capital and 10,000 as his share of goodwill. The book value of land and building would be increased by 5,000 and provision for bad and doubtful bad debt at the rate of 5% on sundry debtor would be created. Bank loan would be paid off. Fifth point is an amount due to debtor 5,000 was retained of last year, but he paid 3,000 in full settlement of his claim on this date, which has not been accounted for so far. You are required to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of a new firm. Now for this question, first I will prepare format of revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet. So see the solution. First I have to prepare format. This is the format of revaluation account. DR side and CR side, particulars, amount, particulars, amount, same. I have also prepared partners capital account. So this is partner capital account, partners capital account and DR side, particulars. A partners are A, B and C. Now particulars A, B and C, credit side, and this is your balance sheet. Balance sheet of new firm or balance sheet of A, B and C. Liability side, amount. Asset side, amount. Now I have prepared format and according to question I will fill the amount in this format. Question says, first point is she would entitled to 1/3 in profit, so I have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Second point is she would bring 25,000 as capital and 10,000 as his share of goodwill. First I am going from liability side. Age capital 30,000 and B capital 20,000 given, so I will put by balance BD 30,000 and 20,000, age capital 30,000 and B capital 20,000. Second, in liability side, general reserve is given 10,000 and the ratio of A and B 3:2, so I will distribute general reserve in 3:2 ratio, because 3:2 10,000 will distributed 6,000 and 4,000 between A and B, older partner. Now bank loan is given and nothing is given for distribution in liability side and asset side. Now I am going in second point. C would bring 25,000 his capital, so I will write in credit side bank account 25,000. Now goodwill 10,000 also, goodwill premium for goodwill account 10,000 will distributed between A and B in sacrifice ratio, and sacrifice ratio will be same as old ratio, so it will be 6,000 and 4,000. Now third point is saying the book value of land and building would be increased by 5,000, so it will put in credit side by land and building 5,000. Now a provision for bad debt at the rate of 5% on sunny debtor would be created. Now provision for doubtful debt, will be 250, because question says provision for bad debt 5% on sunny debtor, and sunny debtor amount is given 25,000, then 5% of 25,000 will be 1,250, and already we have 1000, so I will put in revaluation account 250. Now next point is bank loan would be paid off, so I will show in balance sheet. An amount due to debtor 5000 was written off last year, but he paid 3000 in full settlement of his claim, so it will be our bad debt recovered and it will be income. So I will write bad debt recovered account 3000. And now I have to prepare balance. Total will be 8000, and I will also write in debit side 8000. Remaining balance will be 7750. It will be profit. Profit will shared by A and B in old ratio. This is given 3:2. 3:2. Now it will be 4650 and 3100. Total will be 750. Now I will transfer profit on revaluation in A and B's capital account credit side 4650 and 3100. Now I will balance it also. Total age capital account will be 46650 and B's capital account will be 31100 and 25,000. Same I will write in debit side also 46650 and 31100 and 25,000. And balance CD will be same 46,650, 31,100 and 25,000. Now I am going to prepare balance sheet. In asset side I can write capital of A, B and C. Age capital will be 46650, 311100 and 25,000. Total will be 750 to 1,02,750. Creditor is also given. Creditor will be 35,000. No change in creditor here. And bank loan will be paid off, so I will deduct cash. And bill payable is also given. Bill payable will be 15,000. Now in asset side land and building 55,000, and furniture no change in furniture, so it will remain same 15,000 given in balance sheet. Now next is stock no change. Stock balance given 38,000. Now debtors amount is 25,000 and minus doubtful debt will be 1,250. So total will be 23,750. Now cash I have balance of cash 3,000. Suppose 3 means 3,000 and 25,000 brought by C and 10,000 goodwill also, and bank loan paid 20,000, so it will deduct, and 3,000 will be bad debt recovered account. So total will be 21,000. Now I will balance it. Total will be 1,52,750. 1,52,750 in both side. Now I am going to solve next problem. M and N were partner in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as follow. Creditor, bill payable, reserve, outstanding salary, capital of M and N given in asset side, bank, debtor, provision, stock, plant, patent, land and building, and goodwill is also given. On the above date, O was admitted as partner for 1/4 share in profit on the following term. O will bring 60,000 as his capital and 40,000 as his share of premium for goodwill. For his share of profit, plant be appreciated to 90,000 and the value of land and building be appreciated by 10%. Stock is overvalued by 6,000 and plant are valueless. Patents are valueless. 20% of reserve is to be treated as provision for doubtful debt. There were unrecorded creditor 4,000. Prepared evaluation account, partner capital account, and balance sheet of new firm. So for this solution, I have to prepare first format. So this is debit side and this is credit side of revaluation account. And this is partners capital account. Partners name is M, N, and O. M, N, and O, credit side and debit side also. and this is our balance sheet of M, N and O. Liability side, rupees. Asset side, rupees. Now I have to go through question. In liability side, capital of M and N given 1,50,000 and 70,000. So I will write by balance BD 1,20,000 and 70,000. Now next point is reserve 10,000. I will distribute it in M and N in the ratio of 3:2. General reserve 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Now next point, question says O will bring 60,000 as his capital. So I will put cash account in O's capital account 60,000. Here I have done mistake in reserve because question says about reserve 20% of reserve is to be treated as provision for doubtful debt. So I have to distribute 8,000 only because balance of reserve is given 10,000. I will deduct 2,000 and remaining balance will shared between partner M and N. So it will 4,800 only, 4,800 and 3,200. Now next point is 40,000 as his share of premium for goodwill for his share of profit. So 40,000 will shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. Premium for goodwill, it will be 3:2 sacrifice ratio. So I will divide 24,000 and 16,000. Now question says plant be appreciated to 90,000. In question, plant value of plant is given 80,000. So it will be appreciated and it will write in credit side of revaluation account by plant 10,000 because 10,000 appreciated 80,000 to 90,000. Now value of land and building be appreciated by 10% and value of land and building is given 90,000. So it will increase by 9,000. Land and building 9,000. Now Next point is a stock is overvalued by 6,000, so now it will deduct a stock 6,000. And third point also says patents are valueless, so they have no value now. Value of patent is 4,000 given in question patent, so it will also show in debit side patents 4,000. Next point, fourth number, be 20% of reserve treated as doubtful debt. I have done already. There were unrecorded creditor for 4,000. It will create our liability and it will be our loss, so I will transfer into debit side. Now creditor 4,000, and when I will balance 19,000, remaining balance will be 5,000, and it will shared by M and N. Profit M and N 3,000 and 2,000. I will also transfer in credit side profit on revaluation 3,000 and 2,000, and nothing is remain for posting in ledger account. Now goodwill of the firm asset side I will write off. It is given in asset side. Debit side I will transfer debit side 20,000, so to goodwill account 12,000 and 8,000. Now I will balance it. Total will be 1,81,800, 91,200 and 60,000. Now in debit side also 1,81,800, 91,200 and 60,000. Balance CD will be 1,69,800, 83,200 and 60,000. Now I will transfer it in liability side capital account M N N O 1,69,800, 83,200 and 60,000. Creditor is also given. Creditor amount of creditor will be 34,000 now, because balance is given 30,000 and one unrecorded creditor is 4,000, so it will add. Bill payable no change. Balance of bill payable is given 20,000. It will remain same, and reserve will distributed. Outstanding salary will remain same 3,000. Outstanding salary 3000. Now in asset side, bank account will be 1,10,000. But how? Because balance of bank is given 10,000. You can see 10,000, and O brings 60,000 as capital and 40,000 for goodwill. So total will be 1,10,000. Debtor 40,000 minus doubtful debt will be 3,000, 37,000. Now stock will be 34,000 because deduct by 6,000, balance is given 40,000. Now plant will be 90,000 and land and building will be 99,000. Total amount will be 3,70,000, and in asset side also 3,70,000. I deduct credit reserve side. Reserve, general reserve 2,000 and add in asset side 2,000. So now doubtful debt will be 3,000 and remaining debtor will be 37,000, because question says 20% of reserve is to be treated as provision for doubtful debt. So I will add in doubtful debt 1,000 plus 2,000, it will be 3,000. Thank you.